Hi guys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm thinking of doing a little video for Christmas to mark the end of the year 2020. I'm looking for a bit of inspiration, so I just happened to be looking through some old copies of Ferguson feedback, and I find the inspiration I'm looking for in issue number 1, October 1982. So here we go. These are old Ferguson feedbacks, as you can see, issued to dealers in the 1980s. They're full of technical tips and know-how about the latest models. So that's number 1 there, 1982. And I come across this article about the Ferguson TX10, the best picture of all times and the best sound all round. Now that gave me an idea. I thought, let's take a look at the audio stage and let's reproduce the audio stage of the TX10 on some circuit boards. So we've got all the diagrams here. That's the audio processing board. Obviously we're not going to build a whole lot, we're just going to build the audio stage. So we've got all the technical diagrams, we've got the circuit description, the best sound all around. That's all you need. So here we move to issue number 2, December 1982, and if we turn over here, this is the circuit diagram of the Ferguson TX10 sound output stage. Now what we're going to do is we're going to reproduce, not all of this, because there's some circuitry like input switching where you can switch different inputs from a VHS video. We're just going to reproduce about probably 2/3 of this audio stage on some printed circuit boards. Now I'll just give you a quick look around it, and I thought, what an excellent idea to make a YouTube video. So here we go then, guys. Right everybody, so here we are in the loft now at home, and due to the complexity of this, I've decided to make it up on 4 circuit boards, 2 Vero boards and 2 circuit boards I've etched myself. I've hooked it all together. It looks a bit of a spaghetti. It's all hooked together to test it out, and yeah, it all works fine. So what I'm going to do next is undo all the spaghetti, and then we'll just build it onto some sort of a panel. So that's the tone control board. That's the super wide soundboard. That's the stereo wide, and that there is the audio output. So alright guys, there you go. I'll stop the camera now and then I'll show you the finished product. Right, so here we go then. Here's my tribute to the Ferguson TX10, or the Thorn TX10, from the 1980s. Now I've set it all up there. A pair of speakers, I've connected it to my phone. It's running from a bench power supply. What I've done, I've made 4 separate circuit boards because it's quite, as you can see, quite a complex thing. I've split it up into 4 separate circuit boards. So if anything doesn't work, it's a lot easier to fault find. That's the original diagram of the sound output stage. Here's all the technical bump that goes with it. That's the PCBs I've made. That's the sound output, which is based on the TA722P, which is an audio IC, probably designed for car radio use because it runs from a 12-volt supply rail. So here we go, guys. It's connected to my phone. I'll just put the camera down. I'll set it up. That's the super sound switch. I'll just run you through the boards. That board's the sound output made on Vero board because I don't have the facilities to make very fine etching. That's the tone control board. That's the stereo wide board, and that board there is the super sound board. Now it's all connected to bench power supply. It's all powered up. I'll just put the phone down. We'll start the I'll put a tune on my phone and we'll watch it in operation.
fields of barley. You can tell the sun in his jealous sky when we walked in fields of gold. So she took her love for to gaze a while among the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as her hair came down among the fields.
Now I don't know if you'll hear the effect of the super sound, but I'll just operate the little switch here, put it into super sound.
Will you be my love among the fields of barley? And you can tell the sun in his jealous sky.
Just turn the volume up a little bit.
When we walked in fields of gold, I never made promises lightly.
That's the super sound.
And there have been some that I've broken, but I swear in the days still left, we'll walk in fields of gold. We'll walk in fields of gold.
There, wouldn't stop at first. So there you go, guys. That is my tribute to the late great Ferguson, or the Thorn TX10 chassis. That's the sound output stage. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and this coming to the close of the year 2020. I'll see you in the new year, everybody. Thanks for subscribing. Okay, Merry Christmas.